carpet is getting a beautiful maintenance cleaning. As you can see, it's already very clean. It just needs a little bit of touching up. In order to keep your carpet this clean and keep on top of it, you have to vacuum it and have it professionally carpet cleaned at least every once a year, 6 months maybe. But you definitely have to have it cleaned, or the soil and debris will break down the fibers and then you'll have gray wear patterns. The rotary lifts up the yarn and turns it so it helps with the puff, but it's not going to help when you neglect your carpet. So you want to have your carpet clean. You're going to want to use a rotary Truckmount, rotary wand with a Truckmount, and don't fall for the dry cleaning bonnet scrubbing, and go behind a bonnet scrubbing cleaning and suck it up with the extractor, and the water will be black. It's just pushing dirt into the fibers. It's not doing anything. It's not lifting it. It's not turning into crystals. It's just a spot treatment. Steam cleaning extraction or hot water extraction is the best way to go. And besides sanitizing with the hot water and the solutions we use, it lifts everything out and then makes the pile look better. Rotary wands make the carpet look like a marble floor almost. It's awesome. The customers love it when they see their carpet looking like that. They're like, wow, that's pattern on it. But yeah, if you want your carpets clean in Honolulu, Hawaii, call Black Diamond Cleaning, 808-226-5811. We have the proper equipment, and if you want to keep your carpet looking this way, or you need a full restoration where we can just really bring it to the carpet and clean it, then give us a call. We'll take care of you. Have a great day.